How's it going? I'm back and we're ready to continue where we left off. I'm going to basically be continuing to make this custom logger. And last time, um, we got as far as we made the logger factory, and now we only have a few things left. Really, a couple of things. One is we need to implement the main application. We also need to add a new logger type that will apply some custom formatting to log messages. Okay, so those are two things. And then once we do that, then we can complete the project documentation and be done. I got the green screen up, so we got a nice little effect going on here too. I like this green screen, by the way, but I can't always have it out because I bring my dog out quite a bit. I don't like to leave him in the crate all the time, so I'm always taking him out for an hour or whatever at a time and putting him back in and then getting him for 15 minutes to take him out to the potty. And it's just like a lot of back and forth. So the green screen, I don't want to keep that up when he's around because he will definitely knock it over. So we need to do the main function of this application. We're going to do this in the command CMD. I think that's what CMD stands for. Oh, excuse me. Um, we do need to bring in the factory. I'm just gonna steal this. I really don't like the lack of auto completion or imports in GoLang. It's kind of annoying, especially with the way that it wants you to name things, like packages and stuff for your own project. I dislike that. Okay. I keep telling myself that I'm going to start to use more keyboard stuff. Um, it's going to slow down my productivity, but I want to use more keyboard commands. I'm kind of tempted to try Vim mode for VS Code again. I did it once, and then I quickly backed out of it. I was like, you know what? You know, I don't know. Um, yeah. Oh. Okay. Well, I don't know if I could do an integration. No, there's no need for no integration. Unit tests are just fine. So I could just write the main implementation. I think that would be fine. So, create new logger factory. Let's just bring all of our implementations over here. If I could see them all together. Okay, so we need a new logger factory. There we go. That will return a New logger factory pointer. We use a pointer because we actually need to be able to use this thing. And it's stored in memory at this certain address because it's faster to share the address when you have a really large thing that could be stored in memory or a potentially large thing. Create logger console. We want to do this for both the console logger and the file logger. We got those two, and excuse me. We need to import this. I'm just pressing buttons. Is there a way to make a whole line tab over? Let's ask. It's really hot in here. Also command. Oh, look at that. Okay. I gotta remember that. So let's say error creating console logger. We need to reuse the same one down here. Okay. So console logger.info. Okay, so shift option down is how you do copy a whole line. That's cool. I didn't even know that. Why did I not know this stuff? Um, and then we're gonna do logger now. Let's say this is a info. Oh, Also, control backspace. So option, delete, option. Oh my goodness. And then shift, or wait, command, deletes in front and like what? Why did I know this stuff? I am not a shortcut expert, to be honest. But actually that can make me a lot faster. So let's duplicate this line twice. And then we gotta change this right here. Let's say error. And we're gonna go and say error. Debug. Boom. Okay. Let's try to run this. Um, Look at that. Cool. I'm gonna update this one because I want there to be a line break after console logger. Yeah, that's a little nicer. That's super cool. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's create the formatter logger thing that we mentioned. Okay, so I'm gonna have to create this new logger. I'm gonna have to update the tests to add a new test for the formatter logger. I need to implement it inside of the main.go, and I also need to update the factory to have a new logger type in it. Hmm. Um, second. Oh no, it's not helping it feel any cooler. Okay. Um, um, I need to. Um, am I getting into the weeds? Okay. Let me think real quick. You know what? I think I might be getting into the weeds. I'm looking. I have a Claude on my other computer. I'm looking at this. I'm thinking, okay, I've already spent a lot of time on this, and I already got the thing I wanted to get out of this. And the goal for this was to make an implementation of the factory um, design pattern, and I already did that. So I think pushing this too much right now might not be, excuse me, the best use of my time. So what I'm going to do is back it on up, um, and I'm just going to work on the README. I'm just going to use Claude to make it. Yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I need to make an image. I always make an image for I always make an image for my repos, and I'm going to do that here on the stream as well. Hey, what's up, Kushwant Sanwalat? I like that. I don't know if that's like you're just your screen name, but I like the way that that's spelled. Um, yeah, thanks for coming by. Feel free to ask a question too. Okay, so I have the README here. I'm just going to use this. So there we go. Get rid of that. Like that, and we can get rid of. Oh, what else? We got any extra line down here? That. What does this say? Oh, we can get rid of it. Oh, we don't need this. Okay. Um, Mark gotta be marking down. This is bash. Oh, let's go. Line here. That's what we need. Okay. You know what? It doesn't like that. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah. Okay. I think we're good. Let's take a little preview. If we were to make a formatter, what a formatter I guess would do is the formatter would it would take the log method and it would do something with the log method. I don't know exactly. Um, because this is the part that's formatting it, and we do have that in two places more or less. This part right here. Uh, I might come back later on and implement the formatter thing on my own later on. Okay, so this part's all right. We need to update the ooh, I need to check something real quick because I wonder if I left the right Git URL in my other repo. I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'm gonna check the other one. So, um, let's make let's go to GitHub and get the URL. I have 100 repositories on GitHub. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. And the folder will be that. And the rest of this is correctamundo. Let's go ahead and do a commit. Um, update read any edit push origin name. Okay. So here's how we're looking right now. I need to also check another one, the one that I worked on yesterday. Um, oh, the previous one, like 2 days ago. Okay, I didn't have. I just didn't want to leave that generic URL for the repo in here. Yeah, I did it in this one. Let me fix this one real quick. Embarrassing. Wait, is this the memory allocator? Uh, let me fix that. Let me fix that real quick. I'm tripping. Wait, am I tripping? Yeah, why am I getting the HTTPS? That don't seem right. Um, oh, because it's not my. Yeah. Okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. Yeah, let me update this here. And I got to do the same thing on the repo that I'm actually working on right now. Update the URL and the read or git. And then we need to look at the cache one as well. Okay, we didn't even bother to do that one. And then we need to look at the memory profiler. Embarrassing. Yeah, I made the same mistake here too. Memory profiler. Let me double check the allocator. Yeah, we're gonna amend the last commit. Okay, now we can go back to our current repo, which is the logger system. And we'll put the HTTPS thing here instead of the SSH one. I think that's the one. I never think about this stuff because usually it's just me working with my own repos. And usually people who use GitHub don't even really need to be told to do this to do this part. Okay. Oops. Oh, I can use my trick, which is option back. Oh wait, no. Nope, too much. Wait, what was it again? Control back, option back. Oh, that only works until a delimiter. Okay. Well, it's still faster. Okay. So yeah, there we go. So let's go ahead and put the image in here before we do the commit. So I'm gonna use Midjourney for this. And I've been playing around with like having using custom styles in Midjourney. Um, one, because I want to have a consistent look to my images and stuff across like all the stuff that I make. But then also, I want it to like reflect a style that I really like. And yeah, so here's my prompt if you care to use it. Okay, so I'm gonna do for this one for the logger system. I'm gonna do let's see, an electronic metaverse wizard organizing a wall of sticky notes. And then I'm gonna oh, I didn't do this in 16:5 aspect ratio. I'm also gonna try another one. Let's see. Um, how about a or Page of Swords delivering a scroll to the king. Delivering a scroll to a library. Oh, I really like this. That really strikes me. These other ones are cool. I like this one. 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 I like this one I'm making way more upscales than I need. It's kind of addicting. I don't need to upscale this actually to put it in here because it's gonna be too large if I do that anyways. Um, let's see how big it is. Yeah, we could make this 40%. Okay, we can put that image in here. And get first origin main. So let's refresh this and see what we got. That looks good. I think I might have been a little bit too aggressive with the resizing of the image. I want it to go all the way to the. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this. I want it to go all the way over. Color and let's do this 60%. What? There you go. Okay. Ugh, typos. There you go. Okay, cool. Um, so that part is done. Um, yeah, that's done. Uh, yeah, that's done. I was gonna write a LinkedIn post about this one. I might do it later. Yeah, I'll save that for later. Maybe I'll generate the let me see. Yeah, I'll wait to do that later. I don't need to do that right now. I don't want to post it right now, that's for sure as well. Nobody's online right now. Okay, so this is done. That is great. Well, I'm gonna take a break. Get some. I'm gonna take a break and run across the street and get me a little beverage. I'll be right back. Okay, give me like 10 minutes. Okay, I'll see you. Yo, 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 we're back. We're back. Okay, so where were we? We're gonna start a new project. I already have something queued up while I was away. I actually missed the store. Literally, as I was walking out, they were turning off the lights for the actual store that I go to. So it's a little disappointing, but it's my fault for not thinking of it earlier. So, and it's pretty late. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new project, and this new project is going to be helping me to explore and learn about more about linked lists and further going into the factory method pattern as well. So I wanted to basically take a little bit of what I learned in the last project and connect it to something new, like a new data structure. So that's kind of the purpose of this new project. And just like the previous one, this is being generated as a tutorial, as a walkthrough tutorial. So I'm, not doing this from my head. This is just a way to sort of quickly learn. And I treat this like a tutorial, like I would, any tutorial or get started guide or code along with me thing I might find on the internet, built by another person. I treat it the same way. I don't really see a difference here. So, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and CD out of here. Okay, clear. Okay, so what I will do though is I'm gonna utilize this. I'm gonna utilize some of this pre-made stuff I got going on here. Okay, so uh, actually, let me go back. One second. I need to make the name. I'm really picky about the name. Um, actually, wait. How did I do it? Yeah, I've been doing it caps. I'm gonna stick with my convention, GoLang and caps, because I will eventually have other languages, and I want it to be easy for me um, to visually see. I don't want to blend in too much. So I'm gonna make it capitalized. Okay, so got that. I need to initialize this project. So go mod. I have not been doing the whole um, github.com/whatever. I've just been putting the name of the project. Visualizer. Okay, cool. And I have some script here. So just go ahead and make the file structure. Okay, that part I don't need to do, but I got everything in here now. These are just empty files. Okay, so yeah, so just kind of made all that stuff for me. Okay, so we could just jump into the coding part of this. Something I always forget to do though is make a git ignore. Let me pop one of those in here real quick as well. Git ignore. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and oh wait, I can't do that. Yeah, I gotta make a and just put this over there. Visualizer. Oh, you know what I didn't do for the last project? I did take a screenshot. I'm gonna do that actually. I'm gonna commit this real quick. I'm gonna do that. Oh, this is my Git repository. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're on GitHub. Let me go back to this other project just right quick. And let me just add a screenshot because I don't want to forget that. And I do like the screenshots because it's a vibe. Yep, there we go. And then we'll take the logger file. And we'll make sure we include that as well. Okay. We'll take these two screenshots. Do one at a time. And we'll put those in here. Oh, I did that backwards. It should be right. Okay. There we go. Cool. We did it! That's awesome. So exciting. So that's what we have right here, basically. Okay, so back to what we was doing before we got sidetracked there. I'm glad I did that, but it also probably could have waited till later. My small little ape brain wouldn't let me. Okay, so we got the data structure set up. Now we just need to think through this. Okay. Oh, what we're gonna do test-driven development. So I'm gonna try to write the test first. I can. That's what I have here, and I'll make the implementations afterwards. So the first thing I need to do is work on the linked list thing. Um, okay. So we're gonna make a linked list test file as well. Oops. And we need to do the same thing for the visualizer. Um, okay. Okay, so let's do the linked list test first. And package linked list and import testing and function. So we're going to do a test for a simple linked list. And I have a document that explains what a linked list is. So I'm gonna take a minute to review that here in a little bit as well. I made this a while back, actually last winter when I was really trying to learn this stuff. T.error, no simple linked list not be or no. Let's check for questions too. No questions. So we also need to do, there needs to be a head. So head is like the first thing in the links list. It also has no pointer to anything previous to it. So T.error. Okay, so we got that. Let's go ahead and make our simple linked list. Um, yeah, we'll have to come back and make the test for insertion and the implementation for insertion for as well. Okay, so a node is a member of a linked list. It has a value, which can be anything. And it also has a next, which is a pointer to the next node. Okay, so we make a type for a simple linked list. Um, so nodes are individual members. Simple linked list is going to be the list itself. You're going to have a head node. And the thing about linked lists is that we don't need to keep track of all of the things inside of one data structure. They will keep track of their own relationships to their previous one themselves. So all we really need to keep track of is the head. Yeah. Okay. So new simple list, and this will return a pointer to simple linked list. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this test. Go run test. Wait, what is it? Go test. There we go. Did I have an error? Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay. So we're good on that. How do I run tests within a specific file? I want to do this. How do I run all tests within a package in a project? How do I do that? Okay, I guess not. It's fine. Um, I could put the relative path, I guess. There you go. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need the ability to make an insertion into this linked list. So let's try to test for that. So the value one. Okay. Let's go ahead and add that here now. So let's make an insert method. Let's say the address of a new, we're gonna make a new node, but we're gonna make a pointer. We're gonna save its address basically because next in our node construct represents the address of something. So new node is the address of some new node that is made, and we're gonna give it value coming from the argument. So if the head is empty or is nil, then we're going to associate this with, we're going to assign this to the head. And if it isn't, then we are going to make a new node. So we take our new node dot next. So if the head is empty, then what we will do is we'll take the new node and we'll say your next thing is, oh, so this is actually building whatever is new in the linked list becomes the new head. And okay, so that makes sense. So so the next thing is going to become L dot head and L dot. So after that, so we're copying it over basically when we do that. L dot head is now going to be the new node. Okay, let's run our test. Okay, so let's write some comments in here. New node will become head. If head is nil, new head will become the next. Uh, Otherwise, the head will become. Um, yeah, let's see if this makes sense in Claude. So can you check the comments to make sure they are accurate? Accurate. Okay. I wish I could resize how much screen real estate this. That's kind of better. Okay, insert as the new node with the given value. Sure. At uh, Yeah, it's the most efficient way to insert a new node, I guess, because if you don't know how big a linked list is, you would have to traverse it in order to get to the end if you're trying to point in that direction. So that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so we did that. That's nice. We are going to add more linked list types in here later on. Um, Shoot. Yeah, we're gonna do that later on. Let me see how we're doing on time here. Oh, is my break that long? Oh no, it wasn't. It wasn't that long. Okay, so we've been on here for no 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna take a quick little break here. and open a window. It's hot. It is very hot. Um, so I'm gonna open up a window and stretch my legs, and I'll be back. So give me like 10 minutes. I'll be back in 13 minutes. How about that? We'll round it off at 12. I'll be on for like maybe like another 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna get off of here for the night. Okay, so stick around, don't go too far. And if you do, then just come back, okay? Okay, so we're back. We're back at it. Thanks for sticking around. I see that the chat is going. That makes me so happy. Got a little chit chat going. I think this is like the most conversation I've ever seen in one of my stream chats, by the way. It's not a lot, but you know what I'm saying? Okay. Ooh. Okay. So now that we have made the implementation for the linked list, I want to make a visualizer. And the visualizer is going to be a string or text representation of what the linked list looks like. And it's just going to be like the value. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, so this is just going to be the first, or this is going to be the head, or sorry, this is going to be the head here, which points to nothing. Oh, wait. Which way does this go? Okay. So this is the original head. A new node is going to be one, so it's going to point to the original. New node's going to be two, it's going to point to one. Three is going to point to two. The new things are added on what looks like our left side, and it's building off of the original head. Okay. We'll always know where the head is and be able to find our way back to the beginning or to the end of the linked list, but we won't know how long the linked list is at any one time. Unless we traverse it or something, or have a tracker. We could put some type of in fact, let's go and look at my repo for linked list that I did a long time ago. Um Here it is. OpenPair. Here it is. I think I put some pretty good notes in here. Let's run this. I forget what this says. I don't even know what this says. Um, sure, I guess. Oh, I didn't finish it. That's why. Here it is. I'll make the basic one. Okay. Try the advanced one. Here. Okay. I definitely did not put a lot of comments in this when I was making it. I don't know why. I don't have any tests in this either. Unfortunate. But this is basically the same thing we're doing here. Um, So the list starts off with a new node with some data, the new node, and we add the data to it. And then if we check if it's nil, then we just don't do anything. Um, excuse me. Yeah. And then oh, if it is nil, then we just add it and then we return. Um, otherwise, what does this do? That looks weird. It's just is it just like a for loop that keeps going for the length of the? Let's see. Can you explain this syntax? Okay. So as long as the next, so this basically means that it's gonna go to the next, to next, to next, to next, and just keep reassigning it, and for us to be able to find the last thing, and then we're gonna be able to record the last thing here. Um, the last item here. This one is adding to the end. That's what that's doing. Okay. I don't know why I was so confused by that. Okay. Well, anyways. Well, anyways. Yeah. So in this, I had a visualization that I made. Let's go full screen. This is what linked list is. So this is like this is the head or the original head. When we add a new thing at the beginning, we say, "Hey, we're gonna make a new thing, and this is gonna be the new head," and it's just gonna point to the previous head, and the previous head's gonna point to whatever's next to it or whatever. It just keeps going. And in order to add to the end, we have to basically traverse the whole linked list to get to the end, and then make sure that the thing at the end is pointing to something new, whereas it'll be nil otherwise. So arrays have a fixed length in GoLang, but a linked list can be as long as you want it to be. And the beauty of the linked list is that things can be stored in different places in memory as well. They don't have to be adjacent in adjacent blocks of memory. From um okay, so that's cool. I'm gonna have to make sure I continue to add good comments moving forward because the comments now were not good. Not for like a tutorial or like a learning repo where I want to be able to, refresh myself in the future. Okay, let's do the test for this first. and then we'll be able to do the implementation. So package visualizer import means import testing. We also need to import um, visualizer as well, or the linked list as well. Oops. New simple linked list visualizer, which has not been made yet. Um, wow. All right, and we need to make the actual visualizer here. New function that will return a pointer to simple linked list visualizer. Okay. This will be a method on the simple linked list visualizer struct called visualize, which will take in a list, which is a pointer to linked list, which is the type of the pointer for simple list visualizer. Oh, no. Linked list dot simple linked list. My bad. And this will return a string. So the result will be a slice of strings. Current list.head. So starting off with the current one, and then we're going to so while current, we're going to loop over all of them and keep reassigning them to current until current gets to nil. We're going to just keep appending these results um, to we're going to keep appending these to our results. So our result will become a slice of strings where each string value is each string is the value for that node in the linked list. Like that. And then after at the end of this iteration of the loop, we'll just take the current one and we'll set it to current.next. And it'll just keep going forward. And then at the end, when we get to it won't include the nil when it's adding to this slice of strings. So we'll just do that at the end. And then we'll join all these together and return. We'll make one string out of all this. And then we'll set the delimiter to hyphen arrow. Okay. Let's run our test. Oh. Oh wait. Nope. We gotta run visualizer. What went wrong? Oh, why did I put the address in there? That's weird. Okay, so this passes. We're good. Let me go ahead and do a commit. Okay, so yeah, let's do a commit here and we'll say we added um, one second. Why is package in here? Uh, wait. Give me one second. Or you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this. I had my package in my get ignore. I don't know why I did that. I need to actually look into that. Maybe that's what's supposed to be there. I don't know. But we'll worry about it. We won't worry about it right now. So let's just Yeah, let's just finish our connect. Okay. Um, Julio. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the stream. We've been on here for 2 hours, so that's a good little study session. Ugh, I can't even speak straight. It's so late. It's almost 12:30. It's 12:23. I need to go to bed. I need to take my dog out for another pee pee poo poo break, and then move on with my life. I might watch some Game of Thrones. That sounds kind of nice, actually. Um, yeah, I need some water as well. Very thirsty. Okay, so thanks for coming by. I really, really appreciate you. Um, Keep coding, keep making magic. You know, don't think about like the end goal. Think about just enjoying it while you do it. You're gonna get where you're trying to go if you just do that. You're gonna be fine. Okay. So I'll see you later. Thanks for coming by. Adios.